children, today I will teach you chapter 13 of GK, Traditional Costumes of the World. In this chapter, we will gain some costumes of the world. Traditional costumes are a way through which people and cultures can define themselves and establish their identities. Now children, I will show you one by one all countries' traditional costumes. Children, tell me which country using these costumes? Okay, Japan. Okay, Japanese ladies are using these costumes. These costumes is of Saudi Arabia. This costumes is of USA. And children, I think all of you know these costumes. It is sari of India. Scotland's peoples are wearing this type of costumes. Traditional costumes of China. And this costume is from Nepal. So children, you see these options and fill up it very nicely and learn it. Now children, I will start world quiz. Question number 1. Which continent has the world's highest mountains? Answer is Asia. Which continent has the most countries? Africa. Which continent has the longest mountain range? South America. Which is the world's longest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Which is the world's longest river? The Nile. Which is the world's tallest peak? Mount Everest. Which is the lowest point of the earth's surface? The Dead Sea. Which is the world's highest waterfall? Angel Falls in Venezuela. Which is the world's deepest lake? Lake Baikal in Siberia. Which is the world's biggest lake? Caspian Sea. Which country has the most island? Indonesia. Which is the world's largest island? Greenland. Which language is spoken by most people? Mandarin. Which is the world's largest country? Russia. Which is the world's smallest country? Vatican City. Which is the country with the largest population? China. Which is the most sparsely populated country in the world? Mongolia City. Which is the most densely populated country in the world? Monaco. Now children, I give you some homework. This page, puzzle yourself what you have learned in the previous chapters. You learn very nicely and then you give answer neatly. this page number 31 and 32 is your homework. Thank you.